After 2 days of non-stop rain, weather in Lachen finally cleared up the next morning. We paid a short visit to the monastery which overlooks Lachen town, and then set off for a short 50-kilometer ride to Lachung.
Alright, so this is goodbye Lachen. Just today morning the weather has cleared up. The time is 11:45. As usual we are late, but that's okay. We just have to go 50 kilometers from here to Lachen. So tomorrow we'll try to go to Yumthang and the Katao Valley. We have just taken a left from Yumthang. I hope it's not raining there.
The ride from Yumthang to Lachung was as beautiful as the one to Lachen, if not more. On the way, you will find more evidence as to why Sikkim is the land of waterfalls. There was not much riding left for the day, which meant we could take our time to relish the valleys and the riverside.
Damn. Huge. So this is what they stop for. And some tea. भीमा फॉल्स पे थोड़ा सा चाय पी के हम रवाना हो रहे हैं लाचुंग के लिए। और मैंने अपने ग्लव्स उतार दिए हैं बिकॉज बड़े अनकम्फर्टेबल हैं यार। हल्लू हल्लू चलेंगे सेफ्टी फर्स्ट करते हुए। क्या ये पहाड़ों और बादल का चोली दामन का साथ है। बादल तो पहाड़ों का गहना है, यही पहाड़ी लोगों का कहना है। बादल पहाड़ और पेड़ का बहुत घना मिश्रण। गाना पेश है नो पेट्रोल चेजिंग कार्स। ये 4 कुत्तों ने लिखा है गाना। अरे स्पीकर की बैटरी मर गई। Reached Lachung, but we are not able to find a place to stay. Apparently everything is booked or it's just too expensive. This entire trip, the highest we have paid for a stay is 1500. Now thankfully Aarti has been able to find a decent place to stay. $1,000 that includes dinner and breakfast, which is I think a very good deal. So this is the stay.
We stayed at Lachung last night, and the plan was to go towards Yumthang Valley today morning. Time right now is 7:20, but we can't proceed because the weather is planning to screw us at every point. Right now it's raining, it's very cloudy, and the vehicles are stuck in the traffic, all the tourist vehicles. So right now we're just waiting for these clouds to momentarily go away.
Time is 9:30 and we're just starting from Lachung. Yumthang is 21 kilometers and 0 point is 48. So we waited till the rain stopped, but it did not. So we decided to carry forward anyway. I think this is the check post. We are making our way to Yumthang and we are getting a beautiful view of the mountains ahead. Wow, this is a waterfall. Nice, very nice. Okay, 20 kilometers only. Yumthang है। बादल अभी भी छाए हुए हैं, बारिश रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रही। देखते हैं ऊपर जाके क्या मिलता है, बर्फ या बारिश खूब देखने मिल जाए। भगवान के दर्शन हो गए ऐसे लगेंगे। Finally get a water crossing in Sikkim. The visibility keeps reducing as we go further up. There is nothing that we can see right now. I'm blind, half blind right now. My specs have completely fogged off. Nine. There is water in my shoes. I have entered a different planet all suddenly. Just keep flying. Oh, finally थोड़ा दिखता है. थोड़ा दिखना शुरू हुआ. So people tell me this is the place where you can see some flowers. The season is almost over. थोड़ा दिखेगा भी अच्छा लगेगा आपको. हम आपको थोड़ा और दिखाते हैं. आइए. पहाड़ों में जाने मन. I can't see the top of that mountain. I can only imagine the beauty of this place. And the flowers are in full bloom. Look at this. What? I keep saying this. I don't think the video is gonna do any justice to the real sight. So you have to come visit. Oh, me. My God. आगे रोड देख पागल. ब्यूटी सब निकल जाएगा. ये तो मेरे को स्पीति याद आ गया. चढ़ जा मेरी माँ. थोड़ा तो चढ़ जा. कुछ नहीं. हो गया. This mountain, this peak is famous for its landslides, and this is the landslide that basically wiped out the entire terrain, and this is how it looks. Handcrafted, by God, it seems. I do want to see this place in full bloom. My God. So after much requesting, the army men have let us go to a point on the Heaven Bends from where we can see the actual complete Yumthang Valley. This is the viewing point, I think so. So bad luck keeps following us. We had come up for a nice view of the Yumthang Valley from top. This is what we see. Look at the weather. क्या दिख रहा है बताओ. This is Yumthang Valley. This is how far I can twist my neck. And that is Aarti trying to get a good picture of me, of course. I'm the man, yo. Beautiful यार. अभी जाके यहाँ पे चाय नाश्ता करेंगे. थोड़ा वैली में घूमेंगे बाइक लगा के. जलेबी. सर जलेबी मिलेगी. Alright, the time is 3 p.m. We've been here since, I don't know, I think 12 o'clock. Let me just show you around why we have just stayed on for too long. So this is Yumthang Valley. Such a pretty place. Have a long walk back.
See, I wouldn't complain that it's raining because it's making the place look like this. But I wish it wasn't.
It's making you look like this. That's the bigger point. And then me look like this.